How to update your Chrome browser. You should always be keeping it up to date, but it's especially important right now since they just discovered a zero-day browser bug and a patch has already been applied. But in order to get it, you need to update your browser. This also works pretty much the same in all other Chromium-based browsers, and your Chrome browser is based on Chromium. Let me show you how easy that is. Click on the three-dot menu. When this opens up, go down to where it says Help, and then select About Google Chrome. That automatically makes Chrome check to see whether there's a new version available. I've already updated mine first thing this morning, so mine is up to date, and if you haven't updated it, it will update to the version 88.0.4324.150. That is the latest build. If you hadn't updated, once it finishes doing the update, you'll need to restart the browser for the new version to take effect. Do that, and in this case, since there's a zero-day exploit out there, do it as quickly as possible. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.